like to call this smoothie PB&J, but there's also chocolate in it, so it's all my favorite stuff, and as you can see, that makes me very happy. I peel a nice ripe banana. I use the whole thing, put that in my smoothie cup. I do have a single serving blender, but you can use whatever blender that you have. And then some frozen blueberries. I always use frozen fruit because that way I don't have to add ice. Ice is water, and water doesn't have flavor. Next is some oats. I always add oats to my smoothies because it does add a filling component and fiber. And then some cinnamon. You can add it if you like the flavor. And cocoa. Cocoa powder doesn't have any calories in it, but it still adds that rich chocolatey goodness that we all love. And then, of course, some peanut butter. You can use whatever peanut butter that you want. This is the one that I had in my cupboard, but if all natural suits you, go for it. And then last but not least is some chocolate soy milk, which really blends up nice and creamy, and it has lots of protein. Then I blend that really, really well till everything is mixed up there. You can see in my cup, it looks really delicious. Nice, rich purple color, and so good. As you can see, it's super quick to make and perfect on the go for a breakfast that will make anybody happy.